Hey guys, it's Flower Power 300 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my little puppy. Well, she's not necessarily a puppy anymore, she's about 7 years old. But she's laying right here. See? Come here, Sparkle. Come on. So cute. Anyways, here she is. Sparkle, this bad quality. Ugh, I don't want to hurt you. Here she is. Real cute face. You're just gonna lay down now, are you? Yeah, lay down then. But, yeah, I wanted to show you my cute little puppy. She's adorable. Isn't she? Isn't she? Look! Look over here, Sparkle, look! Look! That's the window. Oh, there you is! Anyways, yeah, I want to show you my cute little puppy. Isn't that true, Sparkle? Yes. Anyways, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you my little puppy.